Hey there, it's Jane Wilson, and today we're going to have a look at the Juliet spin on static into a pose. Here's the breakdown for the upper body. Inside hand is up nice and high. The outside hand is going to make a little windmill position, reaching behind your body onto the pole. And now let's look at the feet, and we're going to slow this down. The outside foot is going to step forward, and you're going to notice that I'm going to step ahead of the pole diagonally, and it's going to be about a foot width away. Then the inside leg is going to thread forward, and I'm going to get my hips out and in front of the pole and out and around. As I pivot on the ball of the foot, the pole is going to connect to my knee pit grip, and then I'm going to connect the pole squeezing in my knee pit with the outside foot. The inside leg is going to plant down, and then I'm going to roll over my foot. So just be careful about that as the outside leg comes in front, and then I'm going to do a little pose. So this move, you have to have the inside hand up nice and high, and you have to get out and away. See the distance between myself and the pole? That helps me get my hips onto the other side. Now I do roll over my foot, so just be a little mindful about that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm just going to slow this down one last time because this is a tricky move. You do want to get out and away from the pole and allow your body to take you around. So you have to get the hips all the way to the other side. I have to do this move with two hands. You can do it one-handed and simply just have fun with it. It does take time. Now, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to continue sharing lots of ideas with you. And please share with me your pole journey. I would love to cheer you on. Have fun. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.